The hospital told me that I tested positive for benzos and fucking fentanyl.
No doubt.
Benzo and fentanyl mix?
Yeah.
And that's why you were acting like that?
I guess.
Can we show you our body cam?
Some of you might remember Zach from a previous video where he was intoxicated on unknown narcotics and acting very strange. For those of you not familiar with the story, here's a short clip of how he was acting that evening.
I'll do it for you. Relax. I'll do it for you. Relax. I got it. I got it. Were you guys partying tonight?
No, man.
What'd you take, man?
The officers who responded on the initial run found themselves in the area of Zach's house and decided to do a little follow-up to see how he's doing today. As it would turn out, Zach is not a regular user of this kind of drug, and what he took that night was given to him by mistake, or perhaps by somebody who he trusted and he should not trust in the future. It's not very often that officers get the opportunity to follow up with someone who they've had such an interaction with. So it's my pleasure to show you that Zach is in fact a very normal person. He just had a very bad night. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
498.
Oh yeah, let's go see what they're doing. Let's go check on old boy.
See the one that flips off you.
That's definitely who I wanted to see. What was his name? Do you remember? What was it? Zach. Yeah, Zachary.
Thanks for the response. We'll have a code 3 and a 5124 from 6. Say 4 from 6. Covers. 4 connecting. Good. 16A. 490. Covers.
Is Zach here? You're not sure?
I wasn't one of those.
No. Yes, he is here.
Awesome. Awesome.
This is gonna be great. I want to know I just want to know what he took.
That's still sitting there from that night.
Are you freaking kidding me? It really is, dude. That cigarette he dropped is still sitting there. That right there, because I remember it landed like upright. He dropped a bunch of cigs too over here.
It's probably his underwear.
Yes!
How are you?
What's going on?
You don't remember us?
No.
Dude, what did you take that night?
Alright, man.
You're not in any trouble.
So
No,
I showed
we honestly
him.
came to check
So
on
look,
you.
I showed him this at the hospital, man. You see how I got a bump on the outside of this knee? It's
Yeah.
been bothering me real bad. So I tried to buy a couple pills off somebody who I thought was a friend of mine. The hospital told me that I tested positive for benzos and fucking fentanyl.
No doubt.
Benzo and fentanyl mix?
Yeah.
And that's why you were acting like that?
I guess.
Can we show you our body cam? Bro, are you...
Dude, you were...
Dude.
45, we were with you for 45 minutes straight, and you were like that probably at least a half an hour before that we know about. So, dude, I don't know how you didn't fall out and have a heart attack.
I don't know how you had a heart attack.
I don't know either.
You look actually a lot smaller now than you did that night, too, because you were all jacked up, raging, and steam coming off of you.
The psychiatrist that I talked to at the hospital, she said that I was out here screaming about fucking killing myself.
Yeah.
You were, yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever done Fetty before? What do you do? Just weed?
I think I got it like once before, and that was it. But other than that, no, I just smoke weed. You know, because that really does the trick.
This is part of it. We already been here for a while for this one. It'll get lighter in a minute.
I don't know if you can hit the toilet right now if you're outside. You can't stand still for 1 second.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, it's
That's hard to believe that's even me, dude.
dude. You were like speaking in tongues.
You don't even look. You don't look the same right now.
So we might be here. Haven't seen him 4 days.
Is it Zach or Zachary?
I mean, you weren't violent. You weren't bad with us, and I'm glad.
Yeah, me too.
Because that'd have been a pretty good fight, I think, with what you were feeling.
Last name? D-A-U-N?
I don't know, dude. You like were speaking in tongue. We thought you were on bath salts or something.
I've never done uppers ever in my life.
That's probably why it's fucked you up.
273.
Were you sore the next day?
Yeah, I felt like a fucking train. I'm still sore from it.
I'm sure you
I felt
are.
like I got hit by a train.
I'm sure.
I don't know what the hospital gave me, but they fucking.
Drugs are bad, man.
Dude,
Jesus fucking.
Okay.
Oh my
For
god.
one, we're glad that you're okay.
Oh my
I'm
god.
glad we could get you help that night. And
Dude.
are those the guys in the working the store?
I don't know.
No.
Oh god,
Oh,
here we go.
yeah, that's bad.
Yo!